Welcome back, collectors. Happy Three Kings Day to all of you guys. Today we're going to be doing a review on this Tonka garbage truck, rear load garbage truck. As you can see, this is a rear loader. So we're going to show you guys the details. But first, I just want to thank the three wise men for bringing this to me. Um, I had a letter. I wrote them a letter a week ago, and you know, to be honest, Dia de Reyes or the Three Wise Men Day, the Three Kings Day, isn't all about like presents and all that stuff. It's it's a day to be thankful for what baby Jesus or the Messiah has done. But without further ado, if you're ready, I'm ready. Time to show you guys the the um the details. So we're gonna go through the decal placement. So start up here. So starting here, I I love the headlights here. Um, this is sorry. This is a Tonka garbage truck. You can see the little um kind of grill. You do have sorry, the place for license plate. You do have um your windshield. You've got no windshield wipers. Also, no interior on this truck whatsoever. Coming to this side here, uh, you can see the recycle logo. You have your driver's your passenger's window with a little mirror. Mind you that this is a plastic model. So here you guys can see the other side, identical. Here you have the Tonka logo. You can see the Tonka logo here with your recycle symbol there. And then look at these tires, man. They are oh so cool. They look more like dinner plates. You've got your exhaust there. Now, one thing that we want to show you guys with this is it rolls pretty well. So it rolls pretty well. In the back here, um, you've got your little control here for the area here for the dumpster. No opening parts on this, but it's a nice truck overall. It's I mean for being a Dia de Reyes present, a Three Kings Day present, it's okay. Um, it's a cool truck. Um, Now onto the lights and sounds. You guys can hear the motor starting. That's when the truck leaves. The backup sound. the truck motor, all the recycling being dumped, and it sounds like a hydraulic claw, and the recycling logo, the horn. That looks cool. So once again, collectors, this is a um, Tonka recycling truck. I think it's a great model for anyone who loves to play with this, or maybe display it in a diorama. Um, some of the things I like is I like the way that um, even though this is just a generic cab and a generic body, it's a cool it's a cool truck to have. I haven't had one of these trucks. Um, it's a must own model. Now onto the cons. The back doesn't open. I kind of wish that Tonka would have had an opening compartment to get to put some trash in. But I get why they don't want people to open it, because of the fact that there's wires and all that. That's where the speaker is at. So so that's one thing that one disappointing feature of this. But it's okay. It's a cool model to have. Um, so let me know, collectors, what you guys think. Let me know when if you guys are gonna buy one for your child or as a display piece. I'm Luis, and I'm Luis Urbieta, and I'll see you on the next review.